everyone, Tracy here with CocoCon Essential Oils. Wanted to talk to you today about benefits of citrus essential oils. So there are quite a few citrus essential oils that are available. There's sweet orange, red mandarin, green mandarin, lemon, lime, grapefruit of course as well. So all the citrus oils have a lot of common benefits. First I thought I would share with you how you get the citrus essential oils out of the fruit. So it comes out of the rind. It's cold pressed instead of steam distilled. Generally speaking, sometimes you can get a steam distilled citrus oil as well, but generally they're cold pressed. So the citrus oils are very high in limonene, and limonene is a monoterpene that oxidizes really easy. So citrus oils have the shortest shelf life. You want to always put your cap on tight. Don't keep them in a hot, sunny location. Keep them stored in a cool cabinet or something. And if you think that maybe your citrus oils are old, you can always convert them into cleaning oils. So just keep that in mind if you're not sure. Generally, they have a 1 to 2 year shelf life from the time that they're pressed. So back to the limonene component that most citrus essential oils have. Limonene encourages white blood cell growth, so it's a great immune supporter. It's antibacterial, it's antiviral, so really good for cold and flu season. Orange has about 90% limonene, as does red mandarin, and lemon has about 70%. So it's a large amount of one component in an essential oil. And then from an emotional aspect, citrus essential oils are really good mood uplifters. If you're having kind of a blue day or just feeling down in the dumps, citrus oils can pick you up emotionally and give you kind of that happy lift. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and jump over to our website at cococon.com to check out more information and learn more about